The speed of technology evolution affects the complexity of development, which is why modern components often have non-standard shaped footprints. We at Altium understand this, which is why we've added the ability to create custom pads in Altium Designer. A custom pad can be created in one of two ways. It can be defined from an already placed pad, or it can be set based on a created region. This method allows to conveniently and quickly obtain the necessary and high-quality geometry from mechanical CAD drawings, which can then be converted to a ready component pad in just a few clicks. Once a custom pad is created, its geometry can be changed in any way you want, either by editing its coordinates or by moving its vertices directly in the editor. These pads support thermal reliefs using both standard and custom configurations with the conductors placed on the edges of the pad created. The DRC system correctly processes custom pads within the specified pad clearance rules, and their use will not require additional optimization. When exporting output documentation, such pads appear exactly as they were defined within the component, requiring no additional action.